by Barkley. He was fouled, and the basket count.
Barkley brings it down. Off the spin, taking matters into his own hands. What a move by Barkley. What a pass.
A sensational play by Barkley.
We don't have a lot of plays. All the plays we got is get the ball to me somehow.
Barkley. Nobody cut him off. Barkley went away for the smash. 1-on-1. Barkley being the one. How about that? And that. Jack Ramsey wants a foul, doesn't get it. Wow. Moses way out there with Lister and stolen by Barkley. Watch this.
Made the block. Barkley made the block. Oh, brother.
Charles just taking over now.
Gotta finish. Oh, what a rejection by Barkley. What a play. What a play.
Comes Charles. Down the lane. The Sixers have it back. Barkley. He's bringing the house down.
Sometimes I dream that he is me. I just want to be like Chuck. I mean, Mike.
Robinson on Barkley. It's his game to win. Barkley, 20-footer, yes, with 1.8 seconds. Charles Barkley. Here comes Charles. Don't get in his way.
Barkley. Here's the fake. Here's the Barkley drive. Shoot it. Get it. Oh, they needed that, and he's fouled.
I don't mean to brag, but can't no one person stop me. So don't take that personally.
It out front to Howard. It's stolen by Barkley. Here comes Sir Charles. Whammo!
Barkley again. Barkley again. How many times? Barkley for three. Unbelievable.
God want us to win the world championship.
I don't know if I go that far, Charles.
I talked to him the other night.
Charles Barkley lives for these moments.